students, it is one more model in the polynomials. See here, obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3. First of all, I will explain what is the question actually. 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. It is a polynomial. The first point is we have to check the powers. What are the powers here? Powers are exponents. 4, 3, 2, 1. The constant is having 0. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are the powers of the polynomial. When the powers is always whole numbers, then only it is known as polynomial. So we have all powers are whole numbers. There are no negative numbers, there are no fractions. So it is a polynomial. This is the first point. After that, it is which degree polynomial? It is first degree or second degree or third degree or fourth degree or fifth degree. When we are observing the powers, which is greater here? 4 is greater. So it is a fourth degree polynomial. This is the second point. Second point is it is a fourth degree. You have to recognize which degree polynomial is given. This is the second point. Next, third point is already explained in the previous videos. First degree polynomial has 1 0. Second degree polynomial has 2 zeros. Third degree polynomial has 3 zeros. Fourth degree polynomial has 4 zeros. Like this, nth degree polynomial has n zeros. So here, this is given polynomial is fourth degree polynomial. It has 4 zeros. Here, out of 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given. Remaining how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. We have to find 2 zeros. Remaining 2 zeros we have to find. Understood? This is the question. Fourth degree polynomial is given. It has 4 zeros. Among these 4 zeros, already given 2 zeros. What about remaining zeros? Remaining 2 zeros you have to find. This is the question. How to find the remaining zeros? Here, let P of x is equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. My dear students, once you recall, if 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, then what is the factor? X minus 3 is a factor. Remember once. Suppose minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial. Minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial. Then x plus 5 is a factor. Already I explained all these things. Here, root 5 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Root 5 by 3 comma minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of the polynomial of the P of x. These are zeros of the polynomial. Then what about the factors now? What about the factors? Factors are x, here it is a plus. You should take minus root 5 by 3. And here it is minus, that's why you should take plus root of 5 by 3. These are factors of the p of x. Understood? Zeros, we have to find the factors. Now, already two factors we have here. How to find the remaining factors? The method is, you have to multiply these two factors. You have to multiply. With the product, we have to divide this given polynomial. This is the process. First of all, we have to multiply these two factors. Product of two factors, x square minus 5 by 3. How it is? X square minus 5 by 3. How it is? It is exactly a minus b into a plus b. These are all connected problems. All concepts are there. That's why this model is very important. So here, a minus b into a plus b. A square means x square. Root of 5 by 3 whole square. A square minus b square. Root of 5 by 3 whole square, how much? Root of 5 by 3 whole square. Then square root are cancelled. Now this is x square minus 5 by 3. This is the product of two factors. Now we have to divide with this product to given polynomial. That is x square minus 5 by 3, 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. It is a long division method. X square, here we are having 3x power 4. X square into how much is 3x power 4? X square into how much to get 3x power 4? It is nothing but 3x square. If you multiply x square into 3x square, what we should get? 3x power 4. So 3x power 4 you should write. After that, 5 by 3 into 3x square. Once I will write here, 5 by 3 into 3x square. Here 3 cancel. It is minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. 3 cancel. Now we are getting minus 5x square. You should write minus 5x square under x square term. Remember this. Square term under square term. Cubic term, cubic term. This is the process. So now plus becomes minus. These are cancelled. It becomes plus. Here down this one 6x cube. And it is a plus 5x square minus 2x square, that is plus 3x square. Again you take minus 10x. Minus 10x. Now x square into how much is 6x cube? X square into how much is 6x cube? Here this is plus 6x. Here you see, here the symbol is plus 6x cube. So you should take plus 6x square. Sorry, plus 6x. 6x you have to write. Plus 6x, that is 6x cube. 6x into again 5 by minus 5 by 3. See here I will show minus 5 by 3 into 6x. 6x. It is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2x. That is minus 10x. So you should write here minus 10x. Understood? See this process. Now it becomes minus. It becomes plus. Now these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. Now it is 3x square. What is the remaining term here? Minus 5. Minus 5. Now, my dear students, x square into how much is 3x square? It is plus 3. So it is plus 3. 3x square. Again, minus 5 by 3 into 3. Minus 5 by 3 into 3. 3 cancelled. You are getting minus 5. So it becomes minus, it becomes plus, so we are getting remainder 0. 0 is remainder. So the product of given two factors is x square minus 5 by 3. This is the product of given two zeros. But here this is quotient 3x square plus 6x plus 3. What about this? Actually 4 zeros are there. Means 4 factors are there. This is product of two factors. That is product of other two factors. It is the product of two given factors. That is product of two other factors. From these 3x square plus 6x plus 3, we have to find the other two zeros. How to find the factors? Already we know this process also. By factorization method, here it is a non-monic quadratic polynomial. So you have to multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. That is the constant. 9 is constant. So we have to find the factors of 9 but not 3. 9. Then you have to get 6x. How to split now? 3 3s are 9. 3 plus 3 is 6x. So simply 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. Now take 3x common in this, x plus 1. Here 3 is common, x plus 1. Now what are the factors here? X plus 1 into 3x plus 3. X plus 1, 3x plus 3. Now these are the factors. These are the factors. Now we have to find the zeros. How to find the zeros? Let x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is third zero. First zero, root of 5 by 3. Second zero, minus of root 5 by 3. Third one is minus 1. What about fourth one? You take 3x plus 3 again. Let 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 3. X is equal to minus 1. So these are the two factors. X is equal to same minus 1 minus 1. So this is a important process. This is important model.